Hey guys, this is our last day here. Well, last night, I suppose. Well, I guess tomorrow doesn't count, huh, babe? Because we're going to be at the airport at 9. So that makes sense. So yeah, it's our last day here. Maddie's found her stash of Band-Aids, and now everybody has an owie. Thank you.
Oh no.
You gotta take the paper off. Stick it back on. Now when you really have an owie, you're not gonna have any more Band-Aids.
There.
Thank you.
Owie.
Oh, shush.
I'll fix with the water.
We'll put one in here. Right here.
Where?
Your chocolate stain is an owie.
Owie.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just threw away.
Does it feel better?
Oh no, the fire hand.
Oh no, another owie. Okay guys, it's our last night here. I'm getting things. Sorry, like I got so burnt today. And I got really tan, like holy crap. Everything's tan but my neck, how weird. That's creepy, I just like realized that. Anyways, we are getting ready. I'm just packing everything so we're ready by tomorrow morning. All we gotta do is just change, get breakfast, and head out the door. I'm so beyond ready to go home. I can't explain it. I'm just excited. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up. This is our disaster room right now. And Josh is downstairs at the bar while I'm up here struggling. So yeah, my face hurts so bad. And Josh busted his head open today. I don't even know. I don't even want to talk about it, but yeah. So he busted his head open, so that's fun. Stop. Don't touch that. We are on our way home. Cookies, yummy. Daddy's sleeping. Got my Starbucks finally. Yes. Yummy. I am so ready to be home. Okay guys, I am fine. I've been home for a while now, but I'm finally settled in. Maddie and I took a shower. My parents had a barbecue, so we ate there. My mom is always so on top of things. I'm just like, girl, we just got back from vacation. You're gonna have a barbecue? But anyways, so we went to my parents' house. They had a barbecue. And Josh is still there, not surprised. And now I am going to eat my dinner from my mom's house. Because I didn't stay too long. I was just too tired. I couldn't do it. So I decided to leave. But I'm so tired, guys. And beat, my gosh. And I'm so burnt still. It's crazy. And tomorrow's 4th of July. So thank gosh I'm off. But God, so overwhelmed. Anyways, I just wanted to catch you guys up and end this vlog. I know I'm suck really bad at ending vlogs, but I wanted to end it this time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I will see you next time. Bye.